Can you imagine missing out on a goldmine right beneath your feet? That's what you're doing if your affiliate marketing lacks a killer content strategy. Here's the secret blueprint that top earners don't want you to know. Choosing a specific niche in affiliate marketing sharpens your focus and sets you apart as an expert in that area. This precision makes you the preferred choice for consumers seeking trusted advice, particularly in a world full of distractions. For instance, specializing in eco-friendly products not only positions you as a reliable source for sustainable choices, but also significantly boosts your visibility in search engine rankings. Google values specificity, enhancing your content's reach and attracting a more targeted, engaged audience likely to convert. Contrary to concerns about limiting your audience, focusing on a niche actually cultivates a dedicated and engaged community that values your recommendations, setting the stage for long-term success. It's about quality over quantity, ensuring your marketing efforts resonate with those most likely to respond. Understanding your target audience requires patience and strategic analysis, delving into their needs and preferences to uncover opportunities for personalized engagement. Identifying the unique tastes and needs of your audience allows you to tailor your offerings, making your marketing efforts not just seen but felt. Before diving deeper into niche domination, reflect on your passions and the audience that would most benefit from your insight. What are you truly passionate about? What is one thing you could talk about all day, and what audience could benefit the most from your insights? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This initial step is crucial in leveraging your unique interests as a powerful marketing tool. Addressing pain points effectively requires engaging with your audience where they are, such as through social listening on forums and social media, or sending surveys to identify recurring challenges. This insight helps you become a problem solver for your audience. Have you ever faced a problem that seemed almost impossible to solve? Sharing your experiences could help illuminate common challenges and solutions for others. Deep niche knowledge acts as your guide in the content creation process, ensuring relevance and resonance with your audience. It's not just about the subject matter, but about offering unique solutions and perspectives that speak directly to your audience's needs. Content that transforms and aligns with your audience's preferences ensures every piece you post serves a purpose, enhancing trust and engagement. When selecting affiliate products, use this niche knowledge to filter through the noise, choosing products that genuinely benefit your audience. Have you encountered a content creator who seemed to perfectly address your needs? Discussing what made their approach stand out can highlight the importance of niche expertise in content creation and affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, standout content cuts through the noise, guiding your audience to products that feel custom-made for them. Blog posts, product reviews, and tutorials are key formats that, when used effectively, can weave affiliate links into valuable, engaging content. Each type offers a unique way to integrate recommendations naturally, enhancing your credibility and guiding your audience toward informed decisions. What types of content have guided you to discover products that seem tailor-made for you? Sharing these experiences can shed light on the impact of well-crafted content in the affiliate marketing landscape. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Social media posts serve as the energetic bursts of content in the digital landscape, capturing attention with their immediacy and engaging nature. These posts can quickly deliver impactful messages and spark intrigue, leaving a lasting impression with clickable links that drive engagement towards your affiliate products. Reflect on your recent encounters with various content types. Which one stood out and provided the most value to you? Engage in the discussion below, sharing your insights on creating content that not only captivates but also effectively converts audiences. Embrace the role of a storyteller in your content creation journey, where each word and phrase contributes to a rich narrative designed to educate, engage, and enlighten your audience. The concept of authentic alignment is crucial here. It involves selecting affiliate products that align with your personal beliefs and the interests of your audience. This strategy ensures that the integration of affiliate links into your content feels natural and relevant, fostering a sense of trust and empowerment among your readers rather than feeling like a sales pitch. When it comes to creating value-first content, the aim is to enrich your audience's experience with information so compelling that it naturally encourages sharing. Affiliate links are woven into this narrative as a subtle yet accessible resource, enhancing the story without overshadowing the primary message. Providing context for each affiliate recommendation is key, explaining its relevance and potential impact on the reader's life, thereby personalizing your suggestions and strengthening the connection between your content and their needs. Applying these strategies in real-world scenarios, such as a photography blog discussing the nuances of long exposure shots, allows for a seamless introduction of affiliate links. Recommending specific equipment necessary for this technique becomes an integral part of the educational content, offering genuine advice and making the affiliate links a helpful addition rather than an intrusive element. Reflect upon a recent experience where an affiliate link was perfectly integrated into content you were consuming. Did it enhance the narrative or feel out of place? Engage with us in the comments section below to discuss the art of natural and ethical affiliate linking that benefits all parties involved. In the realm of SEO, the goal is to demystify the process of connecting with your audience through strategic content alignment with their search interests. This begins with thorough keyword research, identifying the terms and phrases your potential customers use when seeking solutions online. By infusing your content with these keywords, you signal to search engines like Google your relevance to these queries, effectively drawing in your target audience. However, SEO extends beyond keyword insertion, emphasizing the creation of valuable, high-quality content that addresses the questions and challenges your audience faces. This approach not only attracts visitors, but also encourages engagement and sharing, further amplifying your reach. Organizing your content with clear headings, incorporating keywords naturally, and ensuring readability enhances your site's appeal to both search engines and readers, facilitating better understanding and categorization of your pages. As we delve deeper into SEO strategies, consider how these principles can be applied to your content creation efforts. How do you balance optimizing for search engines with the need to provide genuine value to your audience? Share your strategies and insights on navigating the complexities of SEO to achieve a harmonious blend of visibility and value in your content. Another often overlooked gem is your website's loading speed. Did you know that a slow website can push you down the search rankings? A fast site keeps users happy and engaged, and search engines take note of that. Remember, SEO is about building trust with search engines so they recommend your site for the right topics. But the question is, how much do you know about your audience's search habits? What's the weirdest or most specific thing you've found yourself searching for lately? Share your stories in the comments and let's explore how those quirky queries help shape the internet's vast ocean of SEO. Imagine clicking on a web page and the information you need jumps out at you, organized perfectly with clear headings and keywords highlighting the journey you're about to embark on. It's the work of creative and strategic content optimization, and today we're going to uncover some tools that can make this magic happen for you. Surfer stands tall among these tools, pairing with your content creation to ensure that search engine algorithms favor your work. Think of it as your behind-the-scenes buddy that helps you sprinkle just the right amount of keywords throughout your content without overdoing it. Next, there's Yoast SEO, a trusty sidekick for WordPress users. It's like that friend who always has your back, guiding you through SEO-friendly titles, meta descriptions, and even giving you a readability check. Remember, the easier your content is to read, the longer visitors will stay, and that's gold in the SEO world. Then we've got Google Analytics, not just a tool, but a treasure chest of insights. It shows you who's visiting your site, what they're looking for, and how they interact with your content. With this knowledge, you're not just shooting arrows in the dark, you're a sharpshooter targeting exactly what your audience loves. But it's not all about algorithms and optimization. Let's talk about Grammarly. It's like having a vigilant grammar guardian angel, ensuring that your content is not just compelling, but also mistake-free. They say credibility is key, and nothing says trust me like content that's as clean as a whistle. Let's not forget about Canva, which brings a world of beautiful templates and designs at your fingertips, helping your content look as good as it reads. Because as much as we love words, a dash of visual flair can make your message even more appealing. All these tools work in harmony to elevate your content from good enough to can't live without. So which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Or maybe there's one you can't work without. Share your go-to content creation wizardry in the comments below, and let's learn from each other's experiences.